Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the Alibaba support team. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in alibaba.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Alibaba website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you can proceed forward by clicking on your account icon and then the sign in button to log in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage from which you can shop for various different items. Now, if you face any problems within the platform and you wish to contact the support team, click on the Help Center button at the top section. You can then choose the For Buyers or the Supplier option based on your account type. Once you have chosen the appropriate option, you will be taken into the Help Center page from which, in order to get in touch and contact the support team directly, you can scroll down and you will see the Online Service button. Go ahead and click on it, and now this will open up the live chat for Alibaba. You can use this live chat page in order to ask any question, and you can also use the various different suggestions that you see on the screen. If your issue is not listed, then you can use the text box underneath in order to enter your query. After entering your query, click on the send button, and if you wish, you can also upload an attachment. After entering your query and sending it to the support team, you will receive a response within your email letting you know about the solution that you can proceed forward with. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team on Alibaba. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.